Continuing with simplifying ratios. Question 1, we have three quantities here, 12 is to 16 is to 28. So if you look at all three, the highest common factor is 4. So I can divide all three by 4. So you divide by 4 the first one, the second one and the third one. 12 divided by 4 is 3, 16 divided by 4 will be 4, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So you need to divide all three by the same number. So my simplest form of the ratio is 3 is to 4 is to 7. Now example 2 is 1.2 meters is to 60 centimeters. So here we have units and the units are different. So before we start simplifying, we need to make sure that the two are in same unit. So we always prefer to convert the big unit into the smaller unit. So in that case, I'll be multiplying and my decimal point will also go. So in 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So when you convert from big to small, you always multiply. So I'll multiply by 100. So 1.2 meter, when you multiply by 100, it will become 120 centimeter, and 60 centimeter will be as it is. Now once the units are same, now I can start simplifying the ratio. Now 120 and 60, the highest common factor is 60, so I'll divide both by 60. You can divide by 10 and then divide by 6 till the answer will be same. 120 divided by 60 is 2 and 60 divided by 60 is 1. So the simplest form of the ratio is 2 is to 1, and the final answer will not have any units since ratios are pure numbers. Let's look at the next example. 1.35 kilometer is to 100 meter. So we'll try to convert kilometer into meter. In 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters. To convert from big to small, we will multiply. So 1.35 kilometer, I want to convert it into meters. So I'll multiply by 1000. Now since you're multiplying by 1000, the point will move 3 digit to the right. So my answer will be 1350 meters is to 100 meters. Now since the units are same, I can simplify it. I can divide both by 10. So I get here 135 is to 100 divided by 10 is 10. Now 135 and 10, I can further divide it by 5. So divide by 5 both. So 135 divided by 5 will give me 27 and 10 divided by 5 will give me 2. So the simplest form of the ratio is 27 is to 2. Number 4, 2 days is to 18 hours. So we'll convert days into hours. In one day we have 24 hours. So I'll convert days into hours. So I'll multiply by 24. So 2 times 24 is 48 hours is to 18 hours. Now both the units are same, so I can simplify further. 48 and 18, both the highest common factor for both is 6. So I'll divide both by 6. So 48 divided by 6 will give me 8 and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we cannot simplify it further. So my final answer is 8 is to 3 without any units. And the last question, we have three quantities here, 4 centimeter, 8 millimeter and 0.2 meters. All three units are different. So we'll convert it into the smallest unit. Smallest unit is millimeter. So we'll convert all into millimeter. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So you multiply by 10. So you convert centimeter to millimeter. So I multiply here by 10. So 4 centimeter now will become 40 mm. 8 mm will be as it is. Now I have 0.2 meter. From meter to centimeter, you need to multiply by 100. And then again from centimeter to millimeter, you need to multiply by 10. So from meter to millimeter, you need to multiply by 1000. So you multiply here by 1000 and you will get 200 millimeter. Now all three have the same unit, so I can simplify it. The highest common factor for all three is 8. So I'll divide all by 8. Divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 200 divided by 8 will give me 25. So the simplest form of the ratio is 5:1:25. That's it.